good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful, amazing start to your day. I had a morning filled with activities, the usual, going to the gym. Now I am incorporating yoga after that, and some time with the doggies. Now I'm going to church today. Just to get out of the house and revisit a place that I had visited before, and this place before it's busy. I'm gonna call the Uber. Boy, I use Uber a lot, and I wonder how Uber feels about me. Okay, let's hope I select the correct address. If not, I'm discovering a new part of Mexico. That's how I look at it when I put wrong address in. Because I'm not paying attention, which is not a good thing. So the Uber should be here in a couple minutes. The Ubers are a fan of where I'm going because 3 Ubers canceled already. There is one that is 6 minutes away, and I hope he doesn't cancel. Yeah. So, what are you doing right now? Right now, I am reflecting and thinking about this year, the past year, what I have achieved, and how I'm feeling. I'm feeling much better than I was earlier in the year. I had got sick, and a lot had happened, and I just had to take a step back, and now I am slowly getting into the groove of things. I had a friend visited. I had a number of friends who visited, and that get me excited a bit to get back outside. And my partner and I, we were invited to a couple parties, and yeah. So I am doing good, reflecting on how I was feeling. I'm feeling better than I was early in the year, and also reflecting on the things that I had set out to do. Things don't always go as how we plan. We just have to roll with the punches and adapt, think on positivity, think positive and think on possibilities, but also thinking about those possibilities work. You have to put in the work to achieve those possibilities, and that's what I did, and I think it's paying off. Not how I wanted to, but like I said, adapting to the circumstances. Not again. These Ubers are canceling on me. Okay, another Uber is coming, and it says he is 4 minutes away. Fingers crossed he doesn't cancel. Yeah, so that's that. So I'm home today and just decide to go visit church. Go to church. I'm going to church just to walk around, look around. This is sort of a historical church called it's no secret what the name of the church is. You know the name of the church by now. Okay, so the Uber seems to be on its way. Let's get going. Buenos días. Sí, Alejandro. I am at Basilica de Guadalupe. It's now 11:20 in the morning, and the Uber driver was telling me that it's a good time, but it's gonna be packed, and that's pretty interesting. So this church is very significant, or one of the many significant churches, I guess, here in the city, because on the 12th, people will go on their knee. It's a special thing they do around this time of the year, and I thought I'd just come visit today because I felt like going to church, and there are a lot of people. Is there ever a time it's empty? I don't know, but this is it. So now I'm gonna walk from here, go all the way up there. I think where was the first church structure. So here we go. I made it to the top, sort of. We have more flights of stairs. I've been here before in this structure. I've been inside. It's beautiful, and it's closed. They're doing some renovation. It's called Templo del Posito. So I Hola, hola. I went up the hill and down the hill, and I accidentally stumbled up on a market filled with rosary. Pretty interesting, but yeah. And now food is always a good idea, so I'm looking for food because I am hungry. So let's see what I get up to for food. I found food courtesy of the policeman. I asked him where he gets his food, and he pointed to Mercado de Comida, and so I'm heading there. Gracias. See what surprise I get from this Mercado Maria Esther. The other police guy is going. Ooh, it looks good. Smells nice too. Órale, okay.
No, es colombiano.
Okay.
Que ya no hay nada de esto, amiga. ¿Qué crees? Que yo fui a Colombia y dije, ay, ¿cómo?
De longanesa yo quiero. ¿Es posible gordita? ¿De longanesa es en gordita o de cacería? Ok, cacería. ¿Y qué es eso? Carne. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿De res? Perfecto. ¿Y de gordita qué preparar? ¿Qué es?
Chicharrón, bistec, longaniza,
Es fácil.
capuchana.
Yo quiero probar de longaniza con cilantro, cebolla y todo, ¿ok? Y después probablemente yo probar el gordita.
¿Cuánto te van a ver, amiga? 2, café, 4. Un café.
Gracias. Yes. Gracias. ¿Cuál es picante más?
La roja.
Ok. No pica mucho. Huele rico, ¿eh?
Allá te cobra.
Gracias.
135.
Es la de queso y la otra lechita.
Pruébala, a ver qué tal te parece. Vas a ver. No, como yo cuando fui a Colombia, no.
Gorda.
¿Fui allá?
Ah, sí. Pero no. Yo ni me acuerdo de
No es
tortillas.
que
No tenía tortillas.
no me pide gorda o tope con todo, pero
No tenía
cuando
tortillas
quiere
de
que
Colombia
salga
ni
no
Chile.
quiere que las haga.
Puta madre.
Ahí sí es más variada.
Le dije, vente siempre que vengas aquí. Todo está bien con ella. Mañana el minuto está bueno ahí. Ay, van a venir. Tenemos la pasada, pasado, ven que comer.
Ay, señora, yo quiero tenedor.
Todo.
¿Cuál es su nombre? Ahora.
Aurora.
Aurora.
Ella, Aurora.
¿Su hermana?
Le vaya bien cuando guste.
Su hermana.
Alejandra.
¿Y usted? Oh, Teresa Mendoza, Reina del Sur. Teresa Mendoza. Teresa es mi nombre, ¿verdad? Con H. Sí, es mi nombre. So I just done eating quesadilla y gordita, and it was delicious. I'm a little tired, so I'm resting, and I will be calling for an Uber, maybe taking the metro bus going back. Let's see how that goes. Food is always a good idea. I'm hoping to head back home. Has started towards Guadalupe, as I see a little bit earlier in the video, and I'm walking in the opposite direction of where everyone is walking. Hola. Now to find transportation to get out of here is gonna be a bit of a challenge. But let me sort that out. Just got home. I'm gonna take a siesta, but before I'm gonna end here by saying stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.